Hey, it's Graham Taylor here at Hudson Rose, talking today about how you go about proving your income for a mortgage. So you're going to make an application, the lender's going to turn around, you're going to say, well, I earn this, I earn that, and they're going to say, prove it. So what are they looking for? Well, this really much depends on what sort of income you've got. So if we look at employed people first of all, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to get pay slips every week or every month. A lender's going to want to underwrite your income by looking at your most recent history of pay slips, normally in between 1 and 3 months. But if you've got variable bits of pay like bonus, commission or overtime, they might look at a greater history of pay slips, so they might go back 6 months, all right? But they're going to use the pay slips to work the income out. If you're self-employed, things are slightly different. So if you're a sole trader or a partner or something like that, they're going to want to look at your SA302s, it's a fun one, I'll come back to that, and also your tax year overview, all right? So what's an SA302, where do you get it? They're also called tax calculations. So if you've got an accountant and you say to them, I want my SA302, your accountant will probably go, don't be daft, they don't exist anymore, you need a tax calculation. That's totally cool, they're the same thing. What the SA302 or tax calculation does, can't get my words out, is it verifies the amount of income that you've paid tax on in any given tax year. So proving your income to the mortgage lender, they're probably going to say, all right, you're self-employed, show us your last 2 years worth of SA302s and tax year overviews, all right? And then that will show them the income you pay tax on, and they might take an average of that depending on the policy. I've done another video on that, so don't panic. Limited company directors, this is the third thing when we talk about income, limited company directors are slightly different. So some lenders, but not many, will look at that SA302 tax calculation thing, all right? However, the majority are going to want to see finalised limited company accounts, again, over 2 years. Now, I don't want to dwell on this video about what numbers they use from those accounts because that's a whole different thing in itself. But broadly, how are you going to prove it? You're going to prove it with accounts. So, quick recap, how do we prove our income to mortgage lenders? If you're employed, it's going to be pay slips. If you're a sole trader or partner, it's generally going to be things like the SA302 and tax year overview. And if you're a limited company director, then you're going to be looking at accounts. Now, there are caveats and all sorts of nuances and things that go with this, all right? So it is a pretty complicated subject, but luckily one that we know a fair bit about. So if you want any further information, if you want advice, if you're looking at remortgaging, if you're looking at purchasing, anything like that, do like, share, subscribe, follow, any other things that you can do on the internet, or pick up the phone and give us a call, or check out hudson-rose.co.uk. See you soon, bye.